All right, Algebra 1B students. Welcome to part 2 of lesson 5.4 on our special cases of multiplying polynomials, or binomials in this case. Just one quick little rule, one more shortcut of FOIL to learn here. So we're going to use FOIL to simplify this multiplication problem in our warm-up here. So go ahead, pause the video, do this warm-up problem, and then start the video again, and we'll talk our way through this one, and then we'll apply it to a more general case. Okay, when I multiply these together, when I FOIL, my first is x times x, which is x squared. My outside is x times -3, which is minus 3x. My inside is 3 times x, which is plus 3x. And my last is minus 9. 3 times -3. Now, the only thing I can do really here is combine those like terms in the middle. But -3x's plus 3x's means I got none left. 0x's. So this really is just x squared minus 9. The x's are gone in the middle. My final answer is here, x squared minus 9. All right. Now, I will tell you that that works in all cases where this number here is the same as that number there, but the signs are different. Different signs. All right? And that's what our rule for today says. If I have the product of a plus b, something plus something else, and a minus b, the same thing minus that other thing, a plus b times a minus b is just a squared minus b squared. It's a shortcut version because we know that the middle pieces are going to cancel out, just like they did up here. Cancel out. Gone. For example, if you see x plus 2 times x minus 2, as long as this number is the same as that number and the signs are different, you can use your shortcut and say x squared, because that was your first piece, x squared minus 2 squared, because that was your second piece, or x squared minus 4. So that's what this is going to look like in your homework. What is a simpler form of x to the third plus 8 times x to the third minus 8? Well, since I see that this number is the same as that number, and the signs are different, I will use my shortcut. The answer to this simplified, or simpler, is x to the third squared minus 8 squared. Now I know that 8 squared is 64. X to the third squared, raising a power to another power means we multiply. That's x to the 6th. And 8 squared is 64. X to the 6th minus 64 is the simplified version of this problem up here. Okay? X to the 6th minus 64. I would like you, please, to take a look at these 4 problems. Those 4 check it problems, got it number 4. The first 3 are right at the bottom of page 506. The last one I've thrown in myself. Pause the video, take a look at those 4 problems. When you have them all done, start the video again, we'll check our answers and sum this all up. Right? Okay, letter A, I see the same number here and here. X is my first piece, so x squared minus 9 squared is 81. X squared minus 81. Part B, I see the same thing. M squared there and M squared there. minus and a plus. So I'm going to do 6 squared is 36 minus m squared squared means m to the 4th. All right. Same thing here. I see a 4 there. I see a 4 there. A 3c, and a minus and a plus. So I'm going to do 3c squared, which really is a 9c squared, minus 4 squared, which is 16. And now the last one, I see a 5 there, and I see a 5 there, an x and an x, but I have a problem here. I have a plus sign and a plus sign, which means I don't get to use my shortcut. So in this case, x squared plus 25 is not correct. In this case, I need to use my FOIL. First, outside, inside, last. X squared plus 5x plus another 5x plus 25. If I put those together, I get x squared plus 10x plus 25. Here's the moral of that story. When in doubt, FOIL it out. When in doubt, FOIL it out. A FOIL will work every time for all these special cases. I'm just trying to show you a few shortcuts that might help you cut down on your time. When in doubt, FOIL it out. All right? That's all I have for you right now. You should be prepared for your practice problem set for next week. Monday, I will see you then. Have a great night.